for. Now he in love with a fat girl. He in love with a fat girl. He in love with a fat.
What up, gang? It's your favorite couple.
And we back with another.
And today we are doing a carbone. We're doing McDonald's. I got a medium fry, a 6-piece nugget, and a Big Mac.
I got medium fry, 6-piece nugget, and a double quarter.
Yes, but before we get into it,
Don't forget to subscribe, hit that baby notified, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the family that links in the description below. But let's get into this blessing. Father God, come for your day. As your blessing was prepare this food. Let no hurt, harm, or danger come to this food. In your name we pray.
amen.
What y'all eating on?
Oh, this sauce is. You gotta have your sweet and sour.
It's crazy that I don't want no dipping sauce today. What?
I don't know. That nugget tastes like it's either burnt or.
Can't be burnt because they just started selling lunch.
I mean, why can't it be burnt? Why can't they have overcooked it?
You're right. But y'all comment down below how y'all eat y'all meals, like special meals like this. Do you eat your fries with your burger, or do you? I see a lot of people eat their burger before their fries. I eat my fries before I eat anything. I see a lot of people eat it. Like I said, I see a lot of people eat their fries with this stuff.
I think it's just old grease.
No, 'cause my nuggets don't look like that.
I know.
Now if somebody came through and got some well done nuggets.
I mean, all of them out look like that. See?
Yeah, my.
It's okay. I like it when it rains.
I hope it do.
Why?
Because it's been hot. It needs some rain.
But it rain.
Let me try this back. I think they switched their flavor on their nuggets. No, I never used to be a dipper. I don't know why I always laugh at the way you eat your Big Macs. But then I thought about it. You don't like all that bread.
No, I love bread. gonna be hard to get out of here, huh? No. One thing about Big Mac, boy, lettuce gonna be everywhere.
Yeah, when you get a Big Mac, you definitely gotta get light lettuce.
I mean, I like the lettuce, but
it's just, I wish it was just like the lettuce that they put on the deluxe.
the bigger lettuce.
But you can't ask for that.
I like this one. Car mukbang going on.
Car mukbang with no talking.
What we need to talk for?
Just watch us eat and listen to this instrumental.
Let's talk about this anyway. Burnt, crispy, chewy. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Gang, gang, gang.